everyone. For a sequence a sub n, the sum of the first n terms is s sub n equals 2 to the power of n minus 1 plus k. We're going to find the value of the constant k so that the sequence is geometric. And so basically, before we get started, let's just note that I want to find a sub n. So if I have a sequence a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3 plus dot 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 plus the next to the last term would be a sub n minus 1, then I would have a sub n, right? So this whole, if I added all this up, this would be s sub n. Now, if I just add these up, this would be s sub n minus 1, taking that. And if I take s sub n minus s sub n minus 1, that will leave me this last term. So if I take the larger sequence minus this smaller sequence here, I get this lone term here. So my a sub n equals s sub n minus s sub n minus 1. Now this is going to equal s sub n is 2, that's given, 2 to the power of n minus 1 plus k. And then we're going to subtract s sub n minus 1. This should be actually a little one here. Let's make it a little smaller. So basically all you do is you take this and substitute in n minus 1. So that's going to give you 2 to the power of n minus 2 plus k. Okay, what happens is the k's will subtract out, and so we'll get 2 to the power of n minus 2. If I factor that out, I will have the k's subtract out, and then you'll have 2 minus 1. And think about it this way. If you multiply these two, 2 times 2 to the power of n minus 2, that's to the first power. That's going to be 2 to the power of n minus 2 plus 1, which gives you 2 to the power of n minus 1. So that's how I factored that out. So just for that purpose, then we have 2 minus 1 is just 1. So our answer is 2 to the power of n minus 2. That's going to be equation 1. That is this last term here. All right. So now that's when we have 2 or more terms. So this is when n is greater than or equal to 2. All right. That's if you have at least 2 terms. Now when n is 1, let's see what our first term would be. When a sub 1 equals the sum of the first term, which is going to be 2 to the power of 1 minus 1 plus k. Well, 1 minus 1 is just 0, and 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So you get 1 plus k. All right. Now from equation 1 here, we can look at 1 plus k. So if you substitute in 1, you're going to get 2 times 1 minus 2 equals 2 to the power of negative 1. That equals 1/2. All right? So basically, that's going to be a sub 1 equals 1/2. So therefore, we have 1 plus k. We have a sub 1 equals 1 plus k, and we have a sub 1 equals 1/2. So set that equal to 1/2, and then if you subtract 1 from both sides, you're going to get k equals negative 1/2. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.